Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are getting into how could blockchain be the future of the world economy. You might have heard a lot about blockchain and cryptocurrency, but what does it really mean for our future? Let's break it down into simple terms. First off, what is blockchain? Imagine a digital ledger that records all transactions across many computers. This means no central authority like a bank is in control. Sounds interesting, right? Blockchain could be a game changer for our economy for several reasons. Let's start with the speed and cost. Without intermediaries like banks, transactions are faster and cheaper. Think about sending money to a friend overseas without paying the high bank fees or waiting days for the transfer to complete. That's the power of blockchain. And speaking of overseas, blockchain breaks down geographical barriers. There's no need for a central agency to approve transactions. According to Buy Bitcoin Worldwide, over 300 million people used cryptocurrency in 2022. That's a massive number. Next up is the financial inclusivity. With blockchain, even countries that are lagging in development can catch up. There's no central authority dictating terms, which means everyone has a fair shot. Jordan Twiner mentions that over 18,000 businesses accept crypto, and this number is growing. Now, let's talk about the environment. You have probably heard debates about the carbon footprint of Bitcoin mining. It's true, but traditional banking also consumes a lot of energy. Think about all the ATMs and bank branches around the world. Moving towards a digital, decentralized system could actually be greener with some tweaks. Security is another big plus. Did you know? There were 1,724 bank robberies in 2021 according to the FBI. With blockchain's end-to-end encryption, your data is much safer. Transactions are secure and hard to tamper with. So, is blockchain the future of the world economy? It's a strong possibility. Financial inclusivity, control, security, and ease of access are just a few reasons why people might prefer blockchain and cryptocurrency. However, it's unlikely that traditional banking will disappear entirely. Both systems might coexist, catering to different needs and preferences. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the future of technology and finance. Let us know in the comments what you think about blockchain and if you see it as a future of our economy. See you next time.